headlines. Manpack declares support to October 3 mass rally against CAB across Northeast. Youth conclave on exploring a better future for mankind held at Imphal. And 5 Andhra community-based tourism huts built at Andhra Imphal East. Hello, you're watching Times of Manipur English News. I'm Mandira and now the news in detail. Convener of Manipur People Against Citizenship Amendment Bill, Yumnamcha Dilip Kumar, today said that Manpack would extend fullest support to the upcoming mass rally against Citizenship Amendment Bill to be held across the Northeast region on October 3rd. He was speaking during a meet of social organizations on CAB organized by Manpack at Iboyaima Shanglane, Imphal. Leaders of various pressure groups, including President of Northeast Forum for Indigenous People, Ningthauja Lancha, and senior journalist R.K. Ranedrajit attended the meet. Yumnamcha Dilip Kumar added that Manpack, which is an umbrella body of around 84 civil society organizations of Manipur, has been firmly standing against CAB. The BJP-led NDA government at the centre had failed to pass the controversial bill in the parliament recently after strong agitation from civil society organizations including Manpack in the northeast. Yumnamcha called on the people of the region to unitedly stand against CAB.
One nation, one language haidana Hindi bu namdana pusallalaga North East states in the Sananabagi Honor Pataragadi, Madugi Mayokta, Chapchana Lepkani, Hyper Pireb Asidi, Adana indigenous people Simukananabagi Damakta, Haudiba, Nefibna, North East state, Punamaka, Luina, Sanction Gadoribo Kongjang Asida, Manpack Nasu, Manipurgoina, Choba Tongang, Lauraga, Mangdil Taraga, Manipur Biang Lunana, Singba Shebigi Mayokta, Sanction Kongjang Ase, Hanamapung Pano, Honagani, have a sleep.
On the sidelines of the meet, NEFIP President Ningthauja Lancha maintained that if CAB passed in the parliament, it would be another merger agreement for the state of Manipur. Commenting on Modi's government's One Nation, One Language mission, Lancha expressed his resentment over the centre's pitch for turning a large number of illegal migrants in the northeast into Indian citizens. He also mentioned about NRC in Assam and claimed that the centre has planned for deployment of more army personnel in the region, which is a matter of great concern. Lancha appealed to the masses to take part in the October 3 rally.
Manpack Hivasi, Tamosunate, Aisunate, Yamungosunate, Pabiba Mayam Sunate. Manpack Hivase, Manipur people have never, Manipur Gimiam never. Howjiki, Tamoy Akoina Mayam, Mihuchilga, Mahuchilaga, Chatururiba, Lojuriba, whatever say, Manipur Gimiam, Puna Lepakanda, Todang when a Pantuk in a Buchangi, Madunia Koina Tamjan Ningbese.
The Sangha Express and ISTV networks today jointly organized the second edition of Youth Conclave on the theme Exploring a Better Future for Mankind at the Sangha Continental located at MG Avenue, Imphal. The conclave was held in view of the sizable number of youths and professionals from the state having educated and trained in different social systems of the country and abroad, and also with a view to share their past experiences with the local youths for a better roadmap and also for the nation to explore new vistas to expand and channelize state's human resources. The Sangha Express, a local daily and TV channel ISTV networks, organized this event in soliciting the value inputs. Chairman of Feeds Hanbung, Haukaulet Kipken, the Sangha Express publisher Nishikant Singh Sapam, Assistant Commissioner to Deputy Commissioner Imphal West Pujai Langbam, and Professor L. Jibon Kumar Sharma attended the conclave as resource persons.
So I would like to put towards exploring better future for the youth of Manipur, touching people's life and changing people's livelihood. Yes, this is a platform not only for Manipur. It is a platform of when the boy or when the girls do something sincerely Because we need sincerity and punctuality. The government should come out with policy, framework and guidelines for the upliftment and self-employment of youth.
Director of Tourism Department Manipur W. Ibohal inaugurated 5 Andhro community-based tourism huts at Andhro Leitan Pekpham Yaihobi in Imphal East, built by rural indigenous people to promote tourism in Andhro area. As a part of the function, a Mukna contest was held at Andhro Kangjebung, which was participated by more than 100 Mukna players. Mukna is traditional wrestling of Manipur. Addressing the function, Director of Tourism Department Manipur W. Ibohal said that there is no scope for tourism but rural tourism. Hence, the department is putting efforts to develop rural tourism at the ministry level. Ibohal lauded the founder of RIP, Padmani Konsam, for opening the community-based tourism huts at Andhro. He expressed hope that the move will bring more rural-based tourism in the state.
Government gi maikadegi sigi incentive fund gi potsi ministry gi guideline gi matung ina di laitaba aduna some kind of individual natraga farm NGO kharana tawraga partnership ta department ga punna satminnaba adugumagi lambi du option du ne khoina hoje padumini ka ibani sigi matang ja discuss tawbo 2-3 times akhoi discuss tawre adubu ngasidi mangphawnaba magi rip trip ki magi project sina Manipur rural tourism ki chapter ama a new chapter has been opened in Manipur. Hope masina sungsoi soidana lehuriba Manipur ki tongan mafam mayam singsida sigi rural tourism ki message ama masigi kana ba pot mayam se soidana khangalagani habagi ai achet pathajabadu engonda le
society ki di tawraga the community upliftment su tawba aduga cultural handshake su purakpa loim bhakse kamaina amada package amada punjhallaga kamaina tawdoino na yamna khallaba matungda last community based tourism sida tarakhibani ko yang wana sise as a business model na puthorok na bada khara wai ko adubu I started the journey alone but now I stand here with all of you.
In connection with the 123rd birth anniversary of Lamyanba Hijam Irawat tomorrow and 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi on October 2, a cleanliness drive was held in and around the Khairamban Ima market in the heart of Imphal city to keep the area neat and clean. The drive was jointly organized by the Municipal Administration, Housing and Urban Development and Imphal Municipal Corporation, along with the Manipur Police Department, Manipur Fire Service, women vendors of Ima market and different civil society organizations. Talking to media, Mahud Minister Thanaujam Shyamkumar said the task of keeping Ima Kaithel, the Asia's largest women's market, neat and clean is impossible without the support of all the stakeholders, including the women vendors and market goers. Noting that cleanliness is next to godliness, Shyamkumar expressed hope that a clean Manipur will help put the state in the global tourist map, which in turn can create more opportunities. He further said the Mahud and IMC are also carrying out the Swachhata Hi Seva campaign to create awareness on the nationwide ban on single-use plastic from 2nd October 2019. Now let's have a short commercial break, but do stay tuned. Coming up next, Moirang Sendra Road repair work begins.
Nupi ekhoigidi khongthang khuding seksiningai gi seksiningai ngaktani mafam matam khudimakta aina cheksinduna talakli adubu mahausai khongchatnina khudung thiningai atumak oi Manipur da ahan boina iramdam asida sajaba ningol khudo adubu ngasidi akhoi tingnaningai oidre aikoigidamak Bright Enterprises ki ningol khudol
Mahindra Tractor Showroom na monsoon season lakpada monsoon offer pijiri India da saba Annapurna domestic mini rice mill amadi grinder akaknaba matam kharagi oina company na offer price ta miyamda phanganjari ho sangbay ma takpada electric prepaid ta subnata ki lupa ani makhai mai chai besan morok yangang marumarang hawai makhal sul takpa yaraba grinder su phangbiragani rice mill da phau pudra seng takpagi awab leitraba yumgi sangoi kasin amada hillaga isana adum फौ तकचब यारबा चेंग वाई मांगहंद्रबा चेंग खैनद्रबा अन्नपूर्णा डोमेस्टिक राइस मिल नि अकुप मरोल गिदमक लिंक्सिन बिरउ महिंद्रा ट्रैक्टर शोरूम मालोम बाजार पिजरिबा ऑफर प्राइस की खुदोंग साब सिमियाम न लौबिहो अककनबा मतम खर खक्तन.
Welcome back. Moirang Central road repair work was started today. In this regard, a press meet was organized by BJP Moirang Mandal. Chairperson of Moirang Municipal Council M. Romi Bala said the road repair work was being taken up under the supervision of Works Minister T.H. Bishwajit and Moirang MLA P. Sarachandra Singh. The road stretch from Moirang Lamkhai to Moirang Lekru Yembi and Lekru Yembi Thong Wangma to Moirang Market Thongjau will be black topped. Potholes experiencing from Moirang Kaitel Thangzhou, Wangma to Sendra Tourist, Chingkhong will be filled up. Romi Bala sought support of the Moirang residents towards ensuring timely completion of the road repair work. Councillors of Ward number 6, K. Premila, H. Bisheshwari Devi of Ward number 7, M. Premila Devi of Ward number 8, M. Ibemcha Devi of Ward number 3 and N. Imbomcha Singh of Ward number 4 were present during the press meet.
Sport horsing amadi akai atol sing jagani like Kurimbi Tongdagina Moirang Kaitel Pavana Mapung Pana Koila Tagani Aduga Moirang Kaitel Tongzau Dagina Moirang Sendra Sing Pum Pavana Amuk Sport horsing amadi akai atol sing jagani Lambi Semeli Tabak Asida Moirang Kendragi Praza Haikibina Sozok Bine.
Earlier in the day, the residents of Moirang forced to shut all shops in Bishnupur district, protesting against the pathetic road condition of Moirang Bazaar. They also blocked Moirang Bazaar road, condemning the state government for failing to repair it despite repeated appeal. In connection with the upcoming 4th Meitei Chanu 2019 beauty pageant, the event organizing committee today organized a trip to the sacred Wangoi Sanamahi Shanglen. Selected contestants of Meitei Chanu 2019 beauty pageant took part in the trip. All Manipur PET successful candidates of 10th IRB and 123rd IRB Rifleman 2019 today held a press meet at the Manipur Press Club, Imphal, during which they urged the concerned department to conduct the pending written examination of the recruitment process by 15th of next month, warning that failure to meet the demand will compel them to launch agitation on 16th of October next. Registering a protest against the death of Thoidingjam Bira on 7th of this month, a sit-in was held at Wangoi Bazaar today, demanding justice for Bira. It may be recalled that T.H. Bira, son of T.H. Chauba of Wangoi, Wanghembam Laikai, was killed in a hit-and-run accident on September 17. Members of Bira JAC and women vendors of Wangoi Bazaar took part in the demonstration. Talking to media on the sidelines, one of the protesters, Longjam Memcha, expressed anger over the failure of the police to find a clue to the fatal accident. She threatened that movement of Tata Magic vans on Mayailambi will be banned until the concerned departments brings all culprits to book.
Karigumba hoini mani haram mana sakibani chengibani adegi khoi tasena habada sar khoi police kai da chalaga wari watai haru matam jira moina haire dudi khoi thigal lage haraga music ki association dira pau ta kanda haji music phagali bejini music myam phagalaga haji je wang bang kya tawraga chathari thathabaje haji phabangam di bodi khoi haiba khongjang khoi dum chakhi ge changthagi ni.
Jawaharlal Nehru Hospital Parking Auto Rickshaw Drivers Association today conducted a cleanliness drive at Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy campus. Association Secretary L. Ranjan said that it was their duty to keep Jenims clean and hygienic.
Social service se koi hospital gi lairiba na layang sangsi akoiba luna na thamba adagi adu mathakta khoi gi phata haudi singsi mafam chara langthokpa khoi su lunan basida khoi isa gi tawhum thokpa thabak ni adagi ana layang singsi mafam singsi nalhan badar ka lay ana khoi khanjaraga asugum thabak thorom singsi khoi lepta adum chatharaga ngasi phawbada lakpani to driver singsina khoi nomagi chara talaga hingjari ba sing ngasi nomagi sintha lepaga khoi masi tawhum thoi khalaga khoi tawjabani.
Irabot Celebration Committee, Kumbi Local Council celebrated 123rd birth anniversary of Lamyanba Jananeta Hijam Irabot at Kumbi Kaithel. Floral tribute was paid to the photo of Irabot. March past competition, cultural dance competition and painting competition were held at Kumbi Kaithel as part of the event. Cash prizes were later distributed to the winners of the competitions. Speaking at the event, National Executive Member of CPI, Dr. M. Nara said that we must try to trial the path of Lamyanba Irabot. Dr. Nara lauded the youth of the state for deliberating on the life of Irabot. National Teacher Awardee M. Mangi Singh, Veteran Communist Comrade Modon Meite, Chairman of Irabot Celebration Committee Kumbi Comrade K.H. Dhana Meite, Veteran Communist Comrade H. Tomba Singh, Zilla Parishad Member of Wangu Boryangbi M. Brojen Singh, former Minister and Secretary of Manipur State Council CPI Comrade Sotin Kumar Singh attended the function.
Irabot ni mai kai tak puse hujik sutta ki magi wakhalo na duna lambi ese chatpada panthung yo ni ai ba wakhalo da nasidi naharo kaya intellectual kaya life soi ko kaya mana nai nar ko gorei ba channel on jeta mo koi ri ba hai.
Distinguished Gentleman Ride Imphal 2019 was held today. Director of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, Porompat, flagged off the ride from Classic Grande Imphal, which finished at Sangaithel. The event was organized by Motocrops Motorcycle Club, Manipur. Talking on the sidelines of the event, Dr. Bhimo said that the motorcycle ride conveys a message on mental health and prostate cancer amongst men. He said that the ride also aims to give awareness on stress-free life to men who have retired from their jobs.
Yamne samna hairabada male jati da prostate ki cancer amasung wakhal gi laina masi ngak thokna na ba hona bada ngasai gi angam ba mating pang na ba hona ba gi damakta awareness pibani aduga masi ngasai gi panjari ba Sydney da leiba Movember Foundation haibaduga khusam naraga ngasi asima aikoi gi prithvi gi 10 countries amasung more than 700 cities in the Hariba Tauramase Pangtoktana Ngasai Adugumba Mating Pang Bagi Kongjan Ado Sanction Bagi Aikogi Huziki distinguished gentlemen's right Hariba group Sina of Honazabane.
We'll take another short break, but stay tuned for more news.
Mega Monsoon Offer. Be a lifetime subscriber of Lamjingba Times daily newspaper at Rs 10,000 only. For more details, please come and visit our Lamjingba Times office at Uripok Laikurembi Laikai, Imphal West, or contact us at 8837-353352 or 9402-991-938.
Welcome back. A 3-day training program on pickle and medicine making for women farmers of Manipur came to an end at Basikong of Imphal East today. The training program was organized by Central Agricultural University, Manipur under CCS, National Institute of Agriculture, Marketing and Family Welfare, Jaipur. Talking about the training program, Research Director of Central Agriculture University, T.H. Robindro, said that the program was participated by 12 experts. 30 women took part in the program.
Underutilized or put Ladenako, Massi Mato Karamna, the Ladiba, Kungangi, Ladiba Nupi, Omising a say, Maruina, Quenasagi, Magi, Mapura, but the Pura depend on Bonataba. Moigas a group Siam Matunda, my Mapur Tabak Matunda, my Angan is Kunsakra Matunda, when a group Siam Zaraga, Quagi, Hoji, group Pula de Asargo, Masiamakanda, Mayam Hoji, More de Pusale, Mayamsi, Masak Pazalaga, Bilwe, descent Potopus Lapan Habitat. Masi Mayam Hanari, Musica, I am a Shambazano, expiry date Yauri, Yaw, the Bazalaka, Sigma Mayam to look at the Aquishu, the way I have a Dugang Sagi Marina, Bilwe debt. I buy a product on top of Yabudagi, have a pandam, Simaruina, Lady Kungangi, Quigi, Nupi Maruin, Nupi, Parmersing in the Maktai, Quigi, see winner programs since 7.
One Hemam Biren condemned the authority for arresting him for giving suggestion on using stone instead of sand for blacktopping of roads in Moirang area. During a press meet at Moirang Bazaar, Hemam Biren, aged 64 years, expressed unhappiness over the alleged harassment meted out against him for voicing opinion about the development of Moirang. He blamed 3 councillors for his arrest.
हाइरुबदा थारिबा पोचिदी कनो ओइबनी लेंगोई यावबा तदिगी कनो यावबा से लेबाग यावबा पुनमक्सी थाबीगनु थाबीगे हारगदी नु काक्रिक तौरगा फजन थाबियु अदु आईडी कनो मोइना प्रजाम ओइना चमचमना हाइजरुबनी अदुदा मखोइना आइबु लाना लमजिंग बिरगा पुलिसता फानबसिदि आई फैमिली अमसुंग लेकाई की चिंगनाव मैमना नुवाइतदना आई प्रेस मी कौबनी लैरिबा अतै तै काउंसिल मफम से सुमाइना तरुम तारदी प्रजाबु प्रजासी करमाइना कनो तोबु ngमगनी अफब लमजिंग द पुकरक ngमगद्रा ngमरोय मसि पुनमसि प्रजा पुनमुक्ता इन सेंदोकचबनी
Chinky Homo Project, in association with non-profit group NAS Foundation, hosted the 11th edition of Water Pride Night at Comic Theme Restaurant Water Comic Show in Delhi last evening. It is worth mentioning that the Comic Theme Restaurant is owned by Bhupen Chingam and Pooja Morangthem. The central idea behind Water Pride Night is creating a safe space for queer community, where they could freely express and feel proud for who they are. Chinky Homo Project is the brainchild of Kumam Davidson and Sagol Sempavale. They aim to archive narratives of queer people living in and outside the Northeast.
But sister, their eyes murder us the same.
The BJP today announced its candidates for the upcoming assembly by-elections in Assam. The contesting candidates are Bijay Malakar from Ratabari, Taufikur Rahman from Jania, Rajan Bothakur from Rangapara and Nabanita Handikyu from Sonari. The party's Central Election Committee cleared the names for the 4 BJP workers. The by-polls to the 4 assembly seats in Assam will be held on October 21st. By-election was necessitated as Tapan Gogoi Sonari, Pallav Lochan Das Rangapara and Kripanath Mala Ratabari of BJP respectively won in the 2019 Lok Sabha polls. Jania MLA Abdul Kalakiu won the Lok Sabha polls from Barpeta and vacated the seat, while Gogoi was Power Minister, Das was Labour Minister. Low-cost airline SpiceJet has suspended the Guwahati-Dhaka direct flight service less than 3 months after it was first launched on July 1, 2019. The reason behind the suspension of the ambitious flight service is due to not getting the desired number of passengers. Due to poor business operations of the flight service, the airline had first reduced the frequency of the flight service from daily to twice a week. However, the new outcome of the flight service still being poor, SpiceJet has finally decided to suspend its operations. Heavy rain and acute waterlogging for the last 36 hours in Patna and certain parts of Bihar have thrown life out of gear, with the district administration pressing the state disaster response force to shift marooned people to safer places. Earlier, the state disaster management department had sounded red alert in 13 districts of Bihar for heavy rain. The situation in Katihar, Purnia, Vaishali, Muzaffarpur, Patna, Bagusarai, Krishnangarh and Bad with incessant heavy rain for the last 36 hours. In Patna, certain areas like Rajendranagar, Kadamkuan, Kankarbagh, Patliputra, Colony and Lohanipur situation have become worse, with people having to tackle neck-deep water owing to continuous rain. Bishnupur District Athletic Association today organized a district-level athletic meet at Himam Nilamani Memorial Sports Complex, Ngangkha Lawai, Moirang. Shot put, high jump, long jump, discus throw, javelin throw, hurdles and race were held at the athletic meet, where 100 meter, 200 meter, 600 meter race for both boys and girls in the age group of 14 years will also be held. In 16-year category, 30 boys and 15 girls will participate in 100 meter, 200 meter, 400 meter, 10,000 meter and 100 meter hurdle race. Secretary of the association M. Raju informed that 13 individuals will be selected from among the players to take part in the upcoming 17th National Inter-District Junior Championship to be held from November 23rd to 25th in Andhra Pradesh. Top-ranked Kento Momota of Japan won the men's single title at the Korea Open Badminton Tournament today with a win over number 2 Chao Tin-Chen of Taiwan. The 25-year-old defeated Chao by 21-19, 21-17 in the final match. Momota, with over 300 wins in record, saw his career descend into controversy in 2016 when he was suspended for more than a year for visiting an illegal casino and was denied a spot at the 2016 Rio Olympics as per reports. Now, before we end the bulletin, the top headlines once again. Manpack declares support to October 3 mass rally against cab across Northeast. Youth conclave on exploring a better future for mankind held at Imphal. And 5 Andhra community-based tourism huts built at Andhra Imphal East. Well, this is all for now, but keep watching Times of Manipur.